everybody, it is December 19th, so this is going to be for day 20 of Vlogmas. Another work day, it's Monday. I opened up my jam, and for today we have an orange cinnamon spread. Maybe. There we go. So I'm making some English muffins, and I am going to try the, cherry Christmas, I think we got yesterday. Let me look at that. Oh, there's one. Yes, cherry Christmas spice. There we go. Maybe better. Anyway, so that's what I'm gonna try on my English muffin. My daughter is home. She's out of school now until January. She's also sick, so that's fun. She doesn't want anything but butter on her English muffin, however. So we have a lot of jam and kids who don't eat jam. So that one was entirely for me. I'm gonna work today, probably pick up my son from school. He has another day and a half he has an early release on Wednesday, and then he's done. And I'm gonna do a lot of assessing whether we are ready for Christmas today. So I'll show you what we do for lunch for myself and my daughter, and that's about it for now. Lots of them though. All right, are we gonna show the camera roll over? Let's show roll over. We sit. Down. Down. Roll over. Yes, a good girl. She can roll over. You got yummy crunchies. Can we work on crawl? Down, crawl. Come. Yes, that's my good girl. Yes, that's good girl. All right, we want to do one dance. Time for a dance. Travel up. Travel spin. Travel spin. Travel sit. Sit pretty. Yes, that's a good girl. She's my best girl. All right, I think we're good. Today is December 19th. It is December 19th. So we're on day 20 of Vlogmas, and it was a Monday, which means it was pretty boring. I recorded some stuff about my breakfast. Ooh, I did try the cherry and Christmas spices spread, and I liked that a lot. Cherry is one of my favorites, so that was a good one. The Christmas spices weren't super strong, but it was a nice background flavor, so I liked that. For lunch and dinner, we just ate leftovers because we had a lot of them in the refrigerator, so we cleared out most of them. There's still some stuff from last night in there, but there will be some lunches that we need to eat, so that'll be fine. And I made a quick trip to pick up something at Target, and that really was it. I hope I'm not getting sick. I feel a little bit like I might be getting whatever cold my daughter has had, but we'll see. We're keeping our fingers crossed that that doesn't happen so we can continue with all of our Christmas plans, but we'll see. And now it is time for scotch. Day 19 of our Scotch whiskey advent calendar. We have a 9-year-old Highland Scotch from Tenninic. I looked up how to pronounce this. It was aged in a first fill tawny port barrel. The distillery is just slightly north of Inverness, almost exactly north of Inverness. So still on the sort of eastern side of the country. And we should taste floral and fruity oak spices and praline. That sounds good. So kind of nutty and caramelly and sweet. Let me get it out of here. 19. Did we drink the wrong one last night? We drank the wrong one last night. Yes, we did. So whatever I said yesterday, that was my fault. I guess I was thinking Vlogmas day 19 and picked up day 19. So this is not Taninic. But, I did taste the nutty. It's one of the reasons why I don't like to read it, but it's right here and I'm going to read it. So we tasted that one last night. So go back and look at last night's and see what I thought of this one. And now we're going to have Linkwood. This one is supposed to be honey and vanilla and malt and nuts. Now I wish I had the other one to taste again. But I liked it, so I know I liked it. So, and I'm flushing not because I'm starting to blush, but because of medication. All right, so instead we have our 12-year Speyside Linkwood, which is the one that is out of business now. So, but Taninic is not. So if we like this one, we could maybe get it. Smells kind of sweet. You're supposed to smell like through your nose, but with your mouth open, and it's really hard to do that, in my opinion. I think I look stupid, but that one definitely does taste more like honey. For real, a little bit winey again to me. Like some of them have like a flavor of wine. This is a bourbon barrel, so it's not like a port or like the other one was. So I'm not sure why I would get sort of a wine flavor, but this one's not as alcoholic as that one. I don't believe. Let's see, I already put it away. How funny. So the other one was 46, as I recall. So is this one, but it is a 12-year. Tends to be a little bit smoother, and I think it is. So I like this one too. I liked the one for today, but I like this one too. Dog is going crazy with her toy because I made my cameraman laugh, and he just now had to play with the dog and make it harder on himself because my cameraman is also my editor. So yeah, I like this one. I get honey. I'm not sure about the nuts and vanilla in this one, but I believe I said it tasted sort of caramelly yesterday and a little bit of nuts, and so that makes sense with the whole praline. Tomorrow, we will have our only lowland whiskey, so I'm looking forward to that one. I don't know why I'm looking forward to it, but it should be different, at least, than everything else we've tried. Hope you've enjoyed this. I'm just, not sure how. Actually, I know how my cameraman didn't notice I opened the wrong one because he was looking at his phone the entire time, playing a game behind the camera. So I'm going to blame it on him just a little bit. But Hope you enjoyed this. We'll see you tomorrow for day 21. Hit the subscribe button if you want to laugh at me some more.